In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam corrupt download. If your download stalls, errors out, or a game won't update, these proven fixes will get you back on track. I'll guide you through each action, explain why it helps, and keep everything simple and clear. Start by clearing Steam's download cache. Open Steam, click the Steam menu in the top left, choose Settings, then go to Downloads. Click Clear Download Cache and confirm. Steam will restart. This wipes temporary data from previous downloads, things like partial chunks and old metadata that can cause conflicts and lead to corruption errors. After Steam relaunches, sign back in if prompted and try the download again. If you had multiple downloads queued, clearing the cache resets them, so just start the one you care about first. If the problem affects a particular game, verify its files. In your library, right-click the affected game, select Properties, open Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam compares your local files against the official versions and automatically re-downloads anything missing or damaged. This can take several minutes, especially for large titles, so let it complete before launching or updating the game again. If you still see issues, switch your download region. Go back to Settings, open Downloads, and change the download region to another nearby location. When Steam prompts you, click Restart Now. Sometimes the server in your area is overloaded or out of sync, and routing to a different mirror can eliminate corruption errors and stabilize your speed. After Steam restarts, resume the download and see if performance improves. Finally, repair your Steam library folder. In Settings, under Downloads, click Storage. Select the drive where your game is installed, click the three dots, and choose Repair. This checks the library folder's structure and permissions and fixes problems that can block file writes or corrupt manifests. If Steam asks for permission, allow it, then wait for the repair to finish before trying the download again. These steps target the most common causes of corrupt downloads. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.